Water, okay, now we're melting the candles together. Do candles work like that? I don't think candles work like that.
What?
Okay, we got candles here.
Yeah, candles?
Yeah, this
Wow.
is a candle making.
Oh yeah, I missed them. But yeah, it's candles.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
It's
Epoxy resin.
into the lipstick, right?
Alright, now I'm confused.
Why this straw there?
I don't know. So we pull out the straw and now it's like an LED. Why an LED? What is happening?
I'm confused.
I am so lost.
Wow.
Guys, do you know what's happening? I am just completely lost.
Oh, it's I have an idea, but let's watch.
You have an idea?
Yeah.
I have no ideas.
So it's
Completely
an
vacant mind.
artificial candle. I mean, not artificial. I mean, it's just a toy candle.
Ah, it's a toy candle. It's not a
Yeah.
real candle.
Yes.
Okay, I was lied to.
There we go.
Ah, so they're attaching the LED to it and then making it look like a real candle when it's not a real candle. Wow.
Oh, well, that's a nice effect. That is kind of melted.
Melting, yeah.
Well, okay.
Now we have some plexiglass.
Oh, wow.
What are we doing with the plexiglass?
To make a mold or what?
It looks like we're making a little, I
Box.
don't know, a rectangle box, yeah?
Yeah. Box, and they will put something there, I guess. I mean,
Okay.
I don't know.
I want to know where the face comes into it. Where's the face gonna? Oh, there's the face.
Oh, this all one craft.
It's
You
all
know?
one craft. Yeah, it's all one thing coming together.
I thought it's a separate thing. Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay, so this is not that so much a candle as much as candle art.
You know what? Okay. Now it makes sense.
Now we're adding some resin. Okay.
Why is this so bad?
Ah,
This
so that they
is
can add the smoke.
Wow. Excuse me?
Now fill in
Is
the
it
rest.
illegal?
Yes. All right.
Let's send it. I mean,
Yeah, that shot is completely not doing anything to sand it.
wow. But I mean,
It's a cool concept.
good. Yeah.
I like it. I want to see it lit up. Yeah, looks
wow.
good. From that angle, it looks great.
Okay, let's see more.
Okay, we got a hand now. We've gone from faces to hands. Paraffin.
And this for what?
We're
What is this
making
for?
more candles.
Okay.
But this is an actual candle.
Yeah,
Okay.
which is looking good.
Now we take a spoon. Ooh. How many spoon things did you have to do for that?
It's what I was thinking about.
That's like 10 hours of work for one candle. No, thank you.
for 2 hours of
Of light.
blue light. Yeah.
Not worth it.
Now I know what is this kind of
A candle.
candle.
Probably
It's
a candle, yeah.
Yeah, but which will.
Oh, it's a spiral
Oh,
candle.
yes.
I like it. Okay.
Nice.
7 out of 10. Good effort.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10
Yeah,
for concept.
alright.
Hot water. Okay, now we're melting the candles together. Do candles work like that? I don't
Most-
think candles work like that.
Oh, Pringles.
We got some cement.
Man.
Cement candles. Wax.
Oh, to make a base.
It's cool.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Looks very nice.
Yeah.
Very aesthetic. Got some piblaze.
Be blessed.
Piblaze. Some waiter. And then canola oil.
That could work.
Yeah?
That could work. We tested. With the oil.
And it keeps
It-
lit?
Yeah? Yeah.
Nice.
It could work just with the oil.
Okay.
Wrap it and hair straightener for
For it to stick in.
yeah.
Okay. Looks nice. It's a candle. I give it candle out of 10. Next. I wonder what this is gonna be.
And
Something tells me Oh, ice cubes.
Cocktail.
Cocktail.
Yeah.
All right.
That's smart.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, nice.
I give it candle out of 10. Next.
How many candles out of 10?
Candle. We got, what is this?
Ice cream? Or-
Ice cream, crayons.
No, it wasn't ice cream. I guess it was.
You ever try to eat a crayon when you were a kid?
Never.
Really?
I think no.
I
Nothing
did.
in my memory. And
I
so
for
how
sure
was it?
did.
How was it?
You don't know the taste of a can. I feel like everyone knows the taste of a crayon.
I don't remember, honestly, Finn.
Because they're different colors, you know? And you're like, different colors taste different.
No, but I think it. Okay.
Okay, it looks cool.
It could work because when you warm up, they're ready.
Crayon.
What?
Is it becoming the wick?
No, it's just decorating.
Ah, just for the color. Okay, okay.
Okay. Nothing special, but.
Candles are actually flammable. We've tested that. So
Yes.
they could have just lit the crayon.
Yeah. It's out of wasp, so kinda.
Yeah, makes sense. Nice little feather candles going on. Foil on the owl.
Okay.
Toothbrush. Clean your owl.
Mm-hmm. And then
Ooh.
make a mold out of it.
Nice. I've actually not seen that many aluminum molds on 5 Minute Crafts. So this is refreshing.
Yeah. So nice. You can.
Okay. Well, pretty good.
Wow.
It's a good owl mold.
Nice. You can do.
I want to make that.
Yeah,
That's
me
cool.
too. For some reason, but I wanna try.
Okay, we're going to ruin this jewelry or whatever it is.
It's I don't know.
Ooh. Ooh, now we have a little flower wax thing. Ooh.
Okay. But what's next?
Floating candle flower that'll last for 5 minutes.
30 seconds.
Yeah,
But still,
it looks cool.
go, yeah, but not practical, I guess.
Ooh, making art.
Oh, I love this technique. I love this.
That's awesome.
You can paint everything.
Yeah, that's cool.
Wow.
You guys did it with shoes, right?
Yeah, yeah. We did it the laptop recently.
A laptop.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
Subscribe to the channel so let's
Check
not
it out.
to miss the new episode. Uh-huh.
Paraffin with glitter. And now we're making a starfish.
Starfish.
A stish.
Uh-huh. Okay, nice.
Yeah. Relax and enjoy.
Yo.
Cool. I like it. Hydrogel. I like how they just put hydrogel like everyone knows what hydrogel is. I've never even heard
I
of
don't
hydrogel
know.
before.
Oh.
They look like
Ah.
Orbeez.
But they have no, doesn't have a shape.
Ooh.
And then it's just
They're just kind of shapeless. Okay.
shapeless. Yeah. I don't know.
Okay. But that's only gonna light the top, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking as well. But
It looks cool. Yeah, cool.
give us more information.
Yeah, we need more information than that. Ooh, that would smell good.
Yeah. Nice. That's good work, right? Well,
Yeah, it look okay.
simple, easy peasy to make it.
Easy peasy.
Here
I
we
wouldn't
go.
put it on that fabric because, you know, flammable and stuff, but
Yeah.
looks cool. Oh,
Ooh.
okay. Couple layers of wax, 100 layers of wax. Now it looks like a microphone.
But
Okay.
that's how
Now it looks
could
like a
work,
banana.
right? Yeah.
That's just how they make candles, though. Usually, right? They just dip it.
Yeah, it's a technique.
Yeah. Sand candle. A sandal. Okay. I don't know. Some of these are kind
Yeah.
of suspect. Like,
Yeah. And now you have.
now you have
different-
bigger candle. Oh, multicolored candle.
Wow.
That's
Oh,
cool.
okay. I expect
I like that.
simple, but it simple and cool as well. That's the thing.
Blah, 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 blah.
I'm just
Rosemary into wax. All right. And it's a rosemary candle. I like how they were like, nah.
Yeah.
Nah, whatever.
Nah.
Nail polish. Are we doing the same thing?
It looks like
We're gonna
so.
dunk a candle in it
Yeah.
and make it look pretty.
Ready.
Now we got a pretty candle.
Okay, we got the idea.
Yeah,
Thank
nice.
you very